Today, I'm going to show you how I transformed this boring old outdoor space to a beautiful balcony oasis. Let's get into it. Hi, so today I am walking you guys through my balcony remodel. I am really not remodeling it as much as I'm decorating it a little bit to make it a little bit more homey since I'll be home during this quarantine time. So I will show you what it looks like. The plan is to create a hedge wall to cover up the metal wall behind the couch. As you can see, my balcony already has furniture. It's all from Target and I've had it for years. I'll link to similar furniture in the description box, seeing as this is no longer on Target's website. The balcony also has solar lights that are from Amazon, which will also be linked. I purchased the plastic interconnecting hedge wall pieces from Amazon. I purchased a case of 12 and plan to glue them to the balcony walls. This was an epic fail. I was trying to avoid getting plywood. After experiencing the wind, I stopped avoiding plywood and purchased this 4-foot wide, 7-foot long piece of wood at Home Depot. In addition, I purchased a stapler using T50 staples to staple the pieces of greenery to the wood. Using this is 3/4, kind of like a drill headpiece. Using that, I made this hole, and I plan to make a hole in each one of these corners in order to put rope through. Holes are made. I am going to line this up and staple each one of these down. I'm going to go all the way across, and I'm actually going to have to end up cutting one of these just to make sure it's even all the way down. So I'll show you what it looks like as I do it. You can see I'm just kind of like going in on the sides and stapling them down. Trying to just go in a little bit in here. So my 4-foot wide, 7-foot long wall is all complete of greenery. Now, this is a lot, the width is a lot less than the actual width of the wall. The width is actually like 4 feet 8 inches, but that's the widest I could get from the Home Depot, and I had a hard time getting it into my friend's Jeep. So we're gonna make it work by putting some garland at the top. Yeah, I'm super excited. Today's a day. I have no makeup on. I have been running errands all day and getting more and more stuff from my balcony. So I'm about to put up the wall and put down some grass. I got this artificial grass from Home Depot, of course, where I got all of these things, and just about. And here you go. It is not as long as I need it to be, and it is too wide, but I am going to cut it and try to make it work. First, we're gonna go in with this wall, then the flooring, then everything else that's already on the balcony, and a few additional things that I've purchased to make it even prettier. Do these zip ties that I'm gonna use to hang the wall up that I got at Home Depot. Something I'm doing is really cutting this down to go underneath here, and I'm going to Velcro it down with this heavy duty industrial strength Velcro. That's the Velcro. I haven't done it, but I'm actually gonna push this over the edge. Now this is a little extra. You guys don't have to do all of this, but this is kind of what I want my thing to look like. So I want it to look like just endless grass. We'll see how this goes. Yeah. So we're not done yet, guys. I just want to show you the progress. I started to place some things out just to see how I would want them placed. I have some candles out here. I'm going to clean more. We're going to add something else here. Some garland, I'm thinking. But that story's still developing. And we're going to clean up this grass and just do all that. I just want to keep you guys in mind that the carpet rug stops right here where my foot is tapping. And I'm actually gonna go back out and put more grass around all the little outdoor corners. I just love to like do little detail stuff like that anyway. So I'm gonna do that because I had quite a bit left. So it's gonna be gorgeous. I ordered the artificial flowers from Amazon. Then I stapled them to the wood. In addition, I also zip tied pieces of the flowers to the back of the greenery, the grid pieces of the greenery in the back, to reinforce them. You could do this before hanging it, but since my wall isn't as wide as I need it to be to cover all of the metal, I prefer to do it this way so that I can hang it according to covering as much metal as I possibly could. I found this cute bowl in the $5 section at Target. Then I found some battery-powered lights at Target as well and threw them into this bowl to create this really cute lantern. I've decorated this balcony with a ventless fireplace, candles, citronella candles actually, and paper lights that are sprinkled on the back of the couch. All of this is linked below. These balcony lights are also solar powered and come on at night, and they too are linked below. Here's my balcony oasis at night. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please like this video, share with friends, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.